again.
Yo guys, what is up and welcome to the second Sunday special. This one is also a tutorial on how to make a banner this time, and also with an underrated channel shout out at the very end of the video. I hope you do enjoy the video, and let's get into it. Alright guys, so we're starting this video off with 5 tips for you guys to make your channel art better. Tip number 1, try and make it as professional as possible. Tip number 2, has to include your channel topic. Tip number 3, make sure you involve a logo if you have one, also your YouTube name. Tip number 4, make sure to involve your social media names in there too. Tip number 5, putting your upload schedule on there would definitely help. Hope you enjoy the video guys, and leave a like for more Sunday specials.
My head up high. Now I know I can't take it anymore. 'Cause I'm feeling that I'm lost inside, trying to get over you. My head up high. Now I know I can't take it anymore. 'Cause I'm feeling that I'm lost inside, trying to get over you.
Alright guys, so go and check out Casey. His link will be in the description. So will this guy's link. This guy is a great YouTuber. I really like him. He's funny and he does a load of cool vids. Also, me and Casey are actually doing a video on the forest. We're going to be starting a series on my second channel. You can go check that down below in the description as well. So yeah, I hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like for more Sunday specials like this. And I'll see you guys next Sunday for another Sunday special. Peace.